Installing a new website in PLUJO is something you'll be doing quite often. Thankfully, PLUJO makes it very simple to do. Essentially, it's about 3 different steps that you'll need to go through. To get there, you'll want to go to your user account, and in your user account, you'll have an option for My Websites. And in the My Websites option, you have a list of all of the different sites that you have current access to and are managing. Now, one of the options here is to install a new website, so we'll go ahead and do this now. And as I had mentioned, installing a new website essentially involves 3 different steps. So step 1, you're going to provide all of the details for the website, so the company information, etc. Step number 2, you're going to provide a theme, so the look and feel of the site. And then step number 3, you're going to determine which modules you want to have associated with this installation. So step number 1 is very simple. You're going to provide the domain name for the site. So this is the domain in which the site's going to reside under. And then you're going to provide company information, so the name and the address, for example. Now, if this particular site is associated to any social media sites, like for instance, if it has a Facebook page or a Twitter account, then you can provide that information here. Step number 2, as I mentioned, is the look and feel of the site. So you'll have a whole list of different templates that you can choose between. In this particular case, we'll choose a PharmaSafe template, and this will be the theme that will be now applied to this particular website. Lastly, step number 3 allows us to choose which modules we want to have associated to this particular installation. You'll find that all the modules are already within the PLUJO installation. There are a few that you can add or remove if you want, and it's just really a matter of checking them off or unchecking them if you don't want that particular module. Don't worry if you haven't captured all the modules here. Once the site is installed, PLUJO does provide, under the Settings tab, the ability to add or remove modules as well. So let's go ahead and proceed with the installation. And once the website is installed, you'll see that it's now on your list of websites. So you can go to that website. You can just choose Manage Website here. And that website will now open up into the dashboard. If you click on the website insignia here, you can actually go to that website directly. And you see here we now have our new website, My Company Site Incorporated, and all of the default items that were associated to the template are now listed here as well. And then it will be your job to then go back to the back end of PLUJO and start working through adding the content as you wish. So as you can see, it's a very simple process. I've sped up the information a little bit in this video, but essentially it's about 3 to 5 minutes at most to install your new website.